everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open both of my Pipsticks subscriptions. This is the regular, the Classic Pro, and this is the Kids subscription. They also have a Hello Kitty one that is pretty cute, and they have a stationery box that looks pretty amazing. I'm always tempted by it. So we're gonna start with the Kids subscription, and it is a holiday theme, winter theme. So they always have like a little pamphlet to color. They have some activities. This one's really cute. Okay, and then this is the back. It has a sticker match. You look through your kit and try to match them, and then you have a note from Mo and her kid. I don't remember this one very well, so I have no thoughts, but everything looks cute. Like if I look at my envelope real quick, it does look adorable. Oh, there's a little circle that came out. Okay, everything, there we go. Okay, so first we have llama, and I forgot to grab a paper, so I'm just going to use this sticker sheet. And we have very cute llamas. It doesn't have a name, but it also has bows, and they all look so cute and silly. Then we have snowflakes. Why is everything sticking together? Okay. So we have snowflakes. They're really cute. I wish they had a little less yellow. I'm just not very... I don't really put a lot of yellow in my December daily. My regular like scrapbooking, I don't mind it. So we have Jolly Igloos, and it is a limited edition. That means that you can only get it if you buy the whole kit. And they have a petite, and then they have the pro that has more colors, and these are presents. They're kind of cute. And this is skin. It's called Slope Style. I love, my favorite part is the little they're not snowflakes, they're like asterisks, and I might use the gloves. That's really cute. And then we have It's Snow Wonder, and these are really cute woodland animals, and we also have a few snowmen and a few snowballs, and this one was the one that came off a little bit. Okay, this one is really cute. Gingerbread guest houses, and the bunny one has ears. That's adorable. That's really cute. I love the dog one with the dog. And then you have extra items to add around. That's really cute. Now these I love. And I tend to love these super tiny, very simple sticker sheets, because they're so good. Sometimes less is more. Which is weird coming from my mouth, because I add everything in the kitchen sink, but I do like simple stickers, so I can add them all together in a big giant hot mess. And this one is called Chocolate Love, and it's like a s'mores and a mug. Oh, these birds are funny. Extra special gifts. and a few of the eggs have little hats. And then we have some presents and some bows. And the chickens are so cute. Okay, this one I really love, Hidden Helpers, and this is a limited edition. This one, these two have dogs, and they're hiding behind presents and bags and trees. It's really cute. This is my favorite one so far from this kit. Oh, I love this one. I always bake with my little one during the holidays, and this is also a limited edition. It's called Fresh Cut Fun, and it's a bunch of cookies. And then you get the piping bags and the cookie cutters. Really cute. Decadent desserts. And we just have a bunch of ice cream cones and hot cocoa and banana splits. This one is really cool too. It's called Winter Hoots, sorry. And I love how simple it is with the trees and the snowflakes, and you get like 2 owls. That's cute, but I'm very interested in the trees. And I always love these scratch and sniff. These are peppermint. It smells like soap and not peppermint soap. And this is caught very off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to reach out to the customer service because a few of these are really bad. And I really love this sticker sheet, so yeah, it's a bummer. And then we have the dog with the bone. That's really cute. Okay, so I think that it's gonna be super easy to pick my favorite 3. I love this one, but my number 1 favorite is this one. I'm gonna go with the cookies, and I have to pick these smaller trees. Now my nose has that soap smell stuck in it, but that one's really cute. I love this image. So now let's do the Classic Pro. One thing that I didn't notice until I started cutting the bag is that now they have these little strips that you can open really easy. Or so they want me to believe. Okay, and this one comes with the smaller Pippi magazine. Put those. And okay, so it has a bunch of bows. It's really cute. My winter bucket list, and then you have a list of items that come in the Petite and in the Pro. You always have a note from Mo, DIY sticker mini gift box, and then you have a few photos. I think that this one, no, that's just a little pattern paper. It's cute though. I wish they did more printables like this. And then you get that currently. This is really cute. I love that. A letter to future me. It says seal with the sticker that makes you happy. And then here you have spoilers. I'm not gonna open it. And a word search. And I love this. 'Tis the season to sparkle, and it says print out this cute winter theme stationery, and they always have like an extra freebie. So this one is, You have an envelope and a pad that you can write your letter to Santa, and those, actually here you can see it a little bit better if you tap on it. Cute. Now I remember being very excited about this one. Okay, and it already looks super cute. So the first one is Holiday Transformation. You have trams with trees and little snowflakes. And this is Skis the Day. Also cute. And this one's really cute. Nordic knits, and it's like a bunch of deer with sweaters and scarves. That's so cute. I love the extra little sprinkles. That is so pretty. And uplifting rights. That was funny. And we have the cats. Positively cozy. We have a bunch of cats there. My kid might steal this one from me. If you never tried Pipsticks, right now they have Black Friday sales. They're like every week they're changing it to add new different things, and this one is hibernation mode, and it is limited edition. It's the first one we've seen, and it has a bunch of snow related sayings and fairy lights, cozy nights, the snuggle is real, tis the season for matching pajamas. It's really cute, and I love the extras. I just won a sticker sheet that has these. Pickle for your thoughts. That's really cute. And we have Mantelpiece Magic, and it is also a limited edition, and it's really cute. And what is this? Knit Snacks. These are like strips. Oh, because they're very small, like, so this one is completely, it's one piece, but these are smaller pieces. I like the concept. I wish it was washi. Like this as washi would be so cute. And this one looked very fun. It's called Merry Mail, and it's not a limited edition, so you can get it, and it is adorable. And trash can tidings, and we just have trash can animals living their best trash can life. That is so silly and so cute and really weird, but I love it. Okay, let me grab this one first. Bunch of bows. This is really cute. I honestly did not care about this when I saw it in the spoiler, but this is really cute. Beaming Bonanza. Really cute. And then we have Fold Guard Florals. Really cute. Love that color combo. And we have pickles. Oh. One came out. I don't know where it came out. You Pickle Me Fancy, which is, no, it's not that one. It's kind of the same as this one, but they changed the tag. Dill like full pickles. Pickle earrings. That's so funny. I love these. Give me a whole pack of these, and if they had numbers, I'm obsessed with them. They are so flipping cool, and it's actually a pattern that you could do if you look very closely and you are gifted with a thread and needle. Then that would be a cute thing to do. To do like each letter of your family, the people in your family's names, that would be cute. But it's a lot of work that I am not equipped to do. Okay, and then we have the postcard, which is adorable. I love this postcard. And I think it's gonna be easy for me to pick a top 3 here. Actually, it's gonna be a little harder than the last one. It's just that I love this one so much. So Mary Mail, that's my top one. This one is really funny, the Nordic Knits. I love the alphas, but I love the bows. And I love the mantelpiece one. I am gonna go, if this was red with a clear background, it would have won. So I'm gonna go with the bows. So these 3 are my favorite. And I'm gonna keep everything in the bags that they came in because they are holiday related. Because I have been organizing my stickers a little better. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so here I have the 4x4s, but all of the holiday ones are gonna stay in the little baggies. That way I can put it in my December daily cart, and it can be really easy to do. Let me know if you preferred the classic kit or the kids kit and which one was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye!